First thing I turned up, I made a friend on this job. Work friend. So if we go outside, go through this gate, and we'll run up to the meter and go check that out. Well, he was having fun. According to the customer, the water supplier apparently have noticed that they're using 20 litres an hour with nothing in use. Don't just ignore the fact that there's enough snails down there to feed the French population. Not much movement on the meter. Inside the property, a few isolation valves have been shut, so it could have stopped the leak. There's another isolation point here, which is the customer's side. The customer seems pretty sure that they know where all the pipes run, so it should make my life a bit easier. Right, let's get it. So apparently this isolation valve shuts off all the water into the property. So we'll just double check that. Always got to start from scratch. Right, that's slowing down. There we go. So that's definitely isolating the water. So now we need to go back to the stopcock and isolate that so I can start testing. According to the customer, the pipework comes through this boxing in here, then it goes to outside, then shoots off straight to the meter. Now I need to connect my rig up to the pipework. You can see it's 6 bar incoming pressure, so it's quite high. And after about half hour of testing, as you can hear, there's a leak at the meter, so that's the water supply's problem. Customer supplied me with a cup of coffee. Now just because we found that leak by the meter doesn't mean we don't test everything else. So we're testing the rest of the house now, and we're getting pressure drop. So there's another leak somewhere. You can hear a lot of gases and water moving around in this pipework here. So if we jump out a window, it's believed that there's a water supply going over to the garages over here, but it's been isolated for a while. Nobody uses the water over here. Well, if we just jump through this gap, and I'm sure you can hear that, and now you can see that. Quite a big leak. I think I've made it worse by using the gases. It's disturbed the fitting a bit more. Oh, duck's eager to get in there. Get her. No, turning your face away. Right, get out of there, come on. I need to do the repair. So we're going to turn the test off, disconnect that nut. Oh look, no insert. The rubber doesn't look too great either. So I'll put a new insert in there and a new rubber O-ring. And we'll tighten it all up. Pressure test again. Back up to 6 bar, as you can see. So now let's take a quick sprint. Actually, I'll tell you what's quicker. Teleportation! So it's currently holding pressure at 6 bar. I don't hear no leak. Oh, duck's taking charge. As you can see, I had to cut a bit of the wood out just to get both arms down there to tighten up the repair. Oh, get the wood out. Yes, I'll get the wood out. Stop crying. Right, so the repair's looking good. And so is the pressure test. So there's no more leaks. So you can connect the pipework back together like that. Nice and easy. Then we're going to slowly... Okay, yeah, that would be a good idea. Before we slowly turn the water back on, we'll tighten that nut up. There we go, 6 bar pressure. You don't want to just open it straight away. Probably end up blowing a toilet valve or something. Right, so we go around and flush all the taps. Make sure it's nice clean water coming out of there. Looking good to me. That's another Oh, hang on a minute. Lift these lids off. Just jump out this window. Put that one back. There we go. We'll slap that one back down. That's another happy customer. And a happy 3 ducks. Job's a good one. If you have a leak, let's get it.